Welcome to Car Magica, your destination for in-depth reviews, expert analysis, and cutting-edge updates on the latest cars, motorhomes, and more. Today, we're taking an exclusive look at the Mercedes Motorhome Concept redesign for 2026, a bold reimagination of what mobile luxury can look and feel like. With a heritage rooted in innovation and refinement, Mercedes-Benz brings its legendary design and engineering expertise into the high-end motorhome segment like never before. The 2026 Mercedes Motorhome Concept makes a powerful first impression with its futuristic yet unmistakably Mercedes design. The exterior features a sleek, aerodynamic profile with sculpted body lines, a bold front fascia with an illuminated three-pointed star and adaptive LED digital light headlamps. Sitting on a custom-built long-wheelbase chassis, this concept boasts 23-inch turbine-style alloy wheels and retractable steps that disappear seamlessly into the bodywork. Optional two-tone matte and gloss paint finishes give it an ultra-modern, commanding road presence. Beneath the surface, Mercedes has equipped this motorhome with a cutting-edge, plug-in hybrid system powered by a turbocharged inline-six engine and an advanced electric motor. Together, they deliver smooth, silent operation and impressive fuel efficiency, a perfect match for long-distance touring and off-grid adventures. The suspension features Mercedes' e-active body control system, which adapts in real time to road conditions, offering a floating ride quality across every terrain. Selectable drive modes include Comfort, Off-Road, and Eco Plus for optimized performance in any setting. Step inside, and you are immediately transported into a world of next-level sophistication. The cabin feels more like a luxury penthouse than a motorhome, featuring sustainably sourced woods, high-grade Napa leather, and customizable LED ambient lighting. The living space is divided into elegant zones: a spacious lounge with swivel seats and a modular dining area, a full kitchen with induction cooktop and smart refrigerator, a master bedroom with a king-size bed and panoramic skylight, and a spa-inspired bathroom with a rainfall shower and smart glass privacy system. Technology is deeply integrated into the Mercedes Motorhome Concept. The dashboard is fully digital, offering augmented reality navigation, voice-activated controls, and an AI-based assistant that learns your preferences. Entertainment includes a high-end Burmester 3D surround sound system, curved OLED display panels, and wireless device integration. The onboard systems support satellite communication, Wi-Fi 6, and remote diagnostics, making it ideal for both leisure and remote work. Smart living features allow you to control the motorhome with your voice or phone, from lighting and blinds to climate and kitchen appliances. Mercedes has also added advanced safety and security systems, including intelligent cruise control, 360-degree monitoring, lane keeping assist, fire and gas detection. The 2026 Mercedes Motorhome Concept isn't just about luxury, it's a vision of the future. Designed for travelers who demand sustainability, comfort, and high-tech convenience in one seamless package, this concept sets a new standard for what a motorhome can be. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the future of luxury travel, be sure to hit like and subscribe